Welcome to the Pencil Show. Let's talk pencils again. I'm on this pencil kick and it's kind of fun. So, a few days ago, I did a review on these Blackwood black wooden pencils, HB, and I don't even know who makes them, M&G. Bought these on Amazon. You get 30 pencils for $5.99. And these things were quite the surprise. They have a lead graphite composition that rivals, and I know, I'm going to say it, it rivals the Swiss Wood Caran d'Ache 348 HB COBS. This is like, I don't know the pricing specifically because I haven't looked them up in a long time, but it's between a $7 and an $8 pencil. Full stop. Is it worth it? Yeah, a little bit. Because of the construction, the wood, the finishing, everything. But this right here, this is, I know I'm going off on a limb here, but the writing feel of the lead is such that it feels crazy, very similar to this. And I have never found a pencil that performed like this before. This is new to me. So take it for what it's worth. Give it a try. Check these out. And I just wanted to preface the review with this because these are incredible. And they're made in China. And you get 30 of them for $5.99. I'll put links in the description for you to check them out. Okay, so this is an unboxing of these right here. So I picked these up from AliExpress. I do a lot of my pencil shopping on AliExpress because it's just great. These are the Macron Color Barrel Wood 2B pencils, triangular grip. And the thing that attracted me to them is that they're triangular. I love triangular pencils. And I thought I bought the 2B, or correction, I thought I bought the HB, but I guess I bought the 2B, so they sent me the 2B. 10 pencils for $3.87. The prices have gone up since then. So let's see if we can crack these open without destroying the box. Because sometimes they want you to pull it apart. And I don't want to do that, darn it. Oh, boy. I think I might have to. Oh, here we go. And, of course, it doesn't pull apart cleanly. Well, let's see what happens. Let's give the packaging a try. Okay, so here we go. Nothing very spectacular or special about the construction. The wood is black though. You know, similar to that. And it's triangular. And it has a really thick core. That is, that's something. Okay, hold on. Let me grab a piece of paper towel. Pardon me. Piece of paper towel. And then I'll grab my pencil sharpener. Cool Masterpiece. Let's sharpen this up and see what happens. Very soft. Kind of a gummy feeling wood. Well, it's holding its shape well. It just fits the pencil sharpener. Okay. Looking good. This is the tricky part. because you don't want to move the core as you're putting pressure on the second stage, or else the core will snap. A lot of times I'll use my rotary crank pencil sharpener for the first stage, and then I'll finish it up on the second stage just to save the blades. The blades last a really long time though. Okay, good. Let me throw this away. Stand by. All right. Very similar. The lead is colored darker on this portion because it's 2B. So that makes sense. Let me put the sharpener away. Care of equipment, learned that in the Army. Okay, let's get my paper. Let's see what we got here. Now, I'm not a big fan of 2B. I don't like, usually when you have 2B, it seems like it's filled with more waxes and less graphite, if that makes any sense, to make it darker. Let me, I don't know if I can zoom up on this. Okay, I can't. I can, but I don't quite know how in the moment here to do that, so. I'll tell you what, I'll pause it, and then I'll zoom in and I'll come back. Okay, I'm back. I figured out how to zoom in. Duh. All right. The lead feels, yeah, it kind of feels the same. It really does. Oh, it's different. Now the point retention on these ones is amazing. It just, the point lasts forever. Obviously, because it's HB. So since this is 2B, it's gonna be a little softer. Oh, and it broke again. It happened on my other one too. I just don't know how to rotate very well, evidently. I think I'm gonna buy the HB on these, because these are really good also. Okay, so what am I getting at? Oh, there's just crazy amounts of options. Crazy amounts of options out there if you're a pencil weirdo, like I am. Like I said before, as long as I keep taking my medication, I'm good. So these are the Caballon, I don't know, triangular pencil. And the price has gone up to like $4.15 or $4.17 in the last 2 weeks. Okay, that's my, yeah, these are just awesome. That's my that's my pencil weirdness for the whatever, the week. Maybe there'll be more if we're lucky. Please like and subscribe. Give me comments. Let's continue the conversation, because it's fun to hear what the viewership is looking at and using and wanting to use. Okay, cheers.